The city of Baeza, located in the province of Jaen, is one of the best examples of Spanish Renaissance architecture. It owes its Renaissance character to a few local wealthy families who dedicated some of their wealth to building churches and public buildings in the 16th century. The city's prosperity declined in the 17th century, but its amazing architecture survived. In 2003, Baeza was added to the UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites. Natividad de Nuestra Señora Cathedral was built on the site of the former mosque. It owes its current Renaissance style to a renowned Spanish architect Andrés de Vandelvira. Its construction completed in 1593, shortly after his death. It pays to climb the cathedral bell tower as it offers magnificent vistas over the city and its surroundings. The fountain La Fuente de Santa Maria, located at Plaza de Santa Maria just between the Cathedral and Seminario de San Felipe Neri, was built in 1564 to celebrate the completion of the water supply to the city. The Seminario San Felipe Neri was built in the 17th century and it ceased its function in 1969. Nowadays it's a part of the International University of Andalusia campus. Baeza University was established around 1533. Due to a decline of the local wealth, the teaching at the university was abolished in 1807. It was revived in 1979 as summer university affiliated with the International University of Andalusia. Palacio de Jabalquinto, built in the late 15th century, is a fine example of the Isabelline Gothic style. Currently, it's also a part of the university campus. Iglesia de la Santa Cruz is one of the oldest in the province of Jaen, built in the 13th century. It represents the Romanesque style, and indeed its beauty manifests itself in its simplicity. The fresco paintings belong to one of the oldest religious arts in the region, believed to be created between the 15th and 16th centuries. La Iglesia San Juan Bautista is one of the most important Romanesque buildings in Baeza. Its origin dates to the 13th century, when after Reconquista, Christian temples were built in the city.